Hey everyone and welcome back. If you've been trying to move your Bitcoin out of Cash App and onto a personal wallet, you've probably noticed that the withdrawal option is locked by default. I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock that feature by running through Cash App's quick identity verification process so you can move your funds safely. So you open up your Cash App, of course, tap Money on your main home screen and select the Bitcoin title right over here. Scroll down to the page a bit and tap the option that says Enable Withdrawals and Deposits, which is this one here. Because of standard financial regulations, Cash App needs to confirm your identity before letting you move your crypto off the platform. The app will ask you to type in your legal name, your date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. After that, you'll need to use your phone's camera to take a clear, well-lit photo of the front and back of your valid government ID, like your driver's license or passport. And then the app will prompt you to take a quick straight-on selfie to make sure it matches your ID document perfectly. Then guys, once you submit your photos, Cash App's review team usually takes about 24 to 48 hours to approve your account, and you'll get a notification the second it goes through. Once you are fully verified, go right back to your Bitcoin title, then tap the arrows button and select Send Bitcoin. Type in the amount, and then you can go ahead and send. That's it. That's how you unlock this functionality. Enjoy as always, and thank you for watching.